Hey guys, I'm back and this time I'm not in my house today. Who's this you suppose? This is the ugly girl in the house. Hey! Just joking. This is Crissy Salvador aka Crissy's Heart. Crissy Heart.
We have been friends since we were so small.
Like when we were grade nursery. Nursery, dude, you can't even remember how it started.
So yeah. So today this is supposed to be my video in my YouTube channel, but my camera was low bat. So it's gonna be me and her.
She's irresponsible for not charging her.
She was vlogging every day. So today we're gonna show my slide. So place the camera there. There. Place the camera there. So like that. Not like that.
No, I'm just gonna do like this.
No, you need to go with me. Come on, let's go. The camera in there.
Wait, I'm gonna do at the other side. Sorry, this is it.
Sorry, just upside down. Just upside down.
Yeah.
So here are all of my slides. What do you want to start with? With the
This is mine.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh,
What do you want first, in the tray or the individual containers?
I want here.
No, the individual containers. Or these individual containers first, or that first?
That first.
Okay. So wait, here's the tray. We just do it here. So up.
Oh.
Oh, right. That's fine. You can just help me here by videoing. It's really. So this is my first ever slime that I made. It's kind of sticky. So there, and place it up here. Wait, guys. So wait.
There's no
Like
pause
that.
in that.
Like do like that. So just hold it there. No, you do it.
Ah.
It's sticky. See? Go, hold it like that. So yeah, here's the slime. Place it just that, like that. It's really pokey. It really stretches out. Okay, just place it there. Place the camera there. Place the camera there.
Sorry, guys.
Just wait. So, excuse me. Okay. So, excuse me. If it's upside down, we're so sorry. So, here is the slime. Voila. It's really pokey. Wait,
Slappy too.
Stop acting like a baby. So, just
Thumbs up.
slime.
Thumbs up for me slapping her face. Thumbs down if you hate her.
Hey, so you hate me? Unsubscribe to her.
That means they don't hate you if they press the thumbs down, dude.
Oh.
You don't even understand. You chill. You
I
don't.
understand, but you don't. Hey, we're gonna show it.
Yeah, I'm showing
Oh, it's because it's sticking to you.
it.
Please. Okay, wait. Her hands, her fingers are sticking to the slide. So because it's really good. This is colored matcha, but in camera it looks blue for some reason. It's really matcha colored.
It's like light gray.
No, it's like light green and a little bit of blue.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, so it's kind of sticky. It's really, really, really stretchy. And it's if we do this, okay?
And it's really pokey.
Really stretchy. You can do my stretching. So yeah. So this is my first ever slime. Here's my second slime. I don't want to take it out because it covers my hand.
But I could, please.
Okay. No, not that,
Oh.
This one.
Oh.
So, hey. Don't take it out. Don't take it out.
No, I'm gonna example it how.
It's really stretchy. Okay.
Stretchy and
Don't take it out. Don't take it out.
and you can see the blue line there. That's from the slime. It's sticky. It could make your hands
Like a
little
Smurf.
blue. Yeah, like a Smurf. That's why the slime is called the Smurfs. The Smurfs slime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like here it is. I'll just poke it for you guys. It's really pokey. Hey,
I have some in my hand too.
I'm gonna poke it. Okay.
Poke
here
it.
is. It's really pokey, but I need to clean it. So this is my third slime. It's right here. I can take it out. It's just normal slime. Okay, it's good. Cause I always do that so I can make it. To make your hands clean. Hey, make your hands clean.
Dude, you just...
Yes, it's called the cleaning. So
Oh.
that's why I call this
Look.
slime the cleaning slime. You need to play with it. Also, most of the color will go to the slime. I just need to wash your hands. See, there's the...
And then there's no more slime. But
there's just color.
yeah, there's this color because
I'll
it's
show
colored.
you. So it's really pokey. Not fluffy.
Yeah.
All of the slimes
And
are
they're stretchy.
all of the slimes are fluffy, but except for this is just normal. I just made this slime to clean my hands. So.
And please don't tell anyone all of them are pokey because all of them are really pokey because you made them. All of her slimes are pokey.
So it stretches out really good.
Poke.
Farts.
Yeah, it farts.
And it's now really blue because of that slime. So I'm gonna give that. I'm gonna give the Smurf slime away to eBay. That's the small one. And here are the individual ones.
I wanna get... My favorite is... Excuse me. That one. The red lid. Okay.
So this is the sports slime. Really bubbly.
Yeah. Her mom is...
It's really bubbly.
It's extremely... And then when you just... Wait. Wait, I'm just gonna show them. And then... When you do like this... You could make a smiley face. And it sticks to your hand. Sometimes it sticks to your hand like mine. The slime hates me.
Oh no. Oh my, it's kind of sticky. It's fluffy
And you know it's stretchy, it's pokey. Stop saying pokey or else I'm gonna slap that.
Hey! It might stick to you. See? No, it
I
might
love
stick
this
to your
slime.
dress.
It's okay.
Hey,
Once
it's not saying it's not here. So yeah. So here's the slime. Very pokey. I love this slime. And this is colored really light blue.
oh yeah, when is the swimming part?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's gonna be bloopers
Yeah.
for some reason because we like laugh. I'm gonna show you the blooper part. So
This is one of the blooper
no,
that I didn't edited.
that's not the blooper. She's just joking. So I call this the clouds because it's really fluffy and looks like it's white, but in camera it's really light blue. But to her fingers it's blue.
Can you check your brother first?
Yeah, wait. So yeah,
So we're gonna do part 2.
later.
Yeah, later
this is
after the cloud.
really pokey.
Let's
And
go upstairs.
This is my favorite slime. It's really fluffy. Super fluffy. So now we're gonna do part 2 because we need to go. We need to do something. So for a while. So hey, go up.
Slimy.
So we'll see you later. And yeah.
Like and subscribe to my channel and her channel.
Oh my god.
Oh my glove. Ah!
So yeah. How many minutes is that? How many minutes now?
Bye.
Yeah.